Hello everyone, welcome back into my new video. In this video, how to earn money from your home and do not go anywhere. At first of all, you must subscribe my YouTube channel. As you can see, it is my YouTube channel. It's called Broxzez. Just subscribe my YouTube channel. So, what to do if you want to earn money from your home? Just keep watching this video. You'll learn how to earn money from this site. It's called Speedball. Speedball, what is that? It is the question bar that everyone put it here. The question, you must answer the question from this. Yeah, it is the Speedball that you must register from here. Turn your study documents into cash. Site, upload class-specific study documents and start earning. It is very simple job. You must do it from your home. An Speedball token. Credit. As you can see here as total answers and credit, money earned, and happy students. In some countries, the guys list doesn't have the time. They don't have the time to answer the question, the homework. After that, they will put it the question into Speedball. You must answer your question. So it is the your money and also login. I have already about logging it in this Speedball. Just do it. So here is sign with Google, sign with emails, but I have already signed it with my emails on maybe it's my email. Oh, it's wrong. Yeah, here is. So here. Learn improve your grades with access to study resource and homework help. Earn money by sharing your class notes and answering questions. It is the bar of answering all questions that you must answer. The students answer the all questions. That's how I put it here. So here is the all things. Yeah, here is mass number of HS was. So here is the question of given line segment weight and points like this, and also mathematics. Explain the steepness street, find the center and radius of the circle below. Just answer this question and get it one Speedball. What is Speedball? Once you earn it like this 140 Speedball, it is on $3.50. So here is one message that I haven't checked out this message, so maybe I want to check out this right now. Yeah, see you later. Okay, bye, see you, bye. Hello, hi. So here is. No, I don't want to do this. And also here is the study documents that you must upload your study documents and also unanswered. Here is the unanswered the questions. Yes, why did Malawi achieve independence earlier and more peacefully than zombie war. Yeah, it has five person answering these questions. Yes, here is. So I want to make now the SP ball. Here is the new one. Here are the all subject, and which subject you are going to the answering. So just go back and answer it and also type filter skip. If you have any question, add a question, and also you can add your homework from here and select the subject for what class and offer a reward. How many SP balls you'll give to your question. So here is it has 20 SP ball, and also it has 15 SP ball on that you can do it. So I want to reload that. So if you don't worry, it is not the hard question. Just open from your Google. Yes, enter and copy this and paste here. So here is, you will receive your answer from here. Just paste here. It is the work of copy and paste. Don't worry, it is very easy way. Yeah, here is. Yeah, house agreement. Here is. Just copy this and paste here. Oh, it has lots of answers. So maybe and add your answer. Yes, here is my answering. So let's wait for Jennifer to see if your answer is accepted. In the meantime, below is another question that you should be able to help with. Yes, here is. It is the 30 SP wall. Yeah, here is. The Italian occupation of Italy was brief, include which benefit. So what is the answer of this question? So don't worry. So it is the SP ball that you can earn money from your home and make money online. Once you receive the money from this site, you can just buy something from Amazon and another sites. It is the you can from here that you can shopping online from this, but you cannot receive this money into your bank account. You can just receive to Amazon into your Amazon card that you can buy something from Amazon, and they will shipping you into your home. So it is my earned points 140 SP ball and value as 358. Yeah, it is my money that I have earned. It is my wallet that I have earned from my home. So it is very simple to make money from your home. Just do it this job. So here is, it is the new question, mass number of this. Just copy this and maybe paste here. It will give you the answer for you. Yeah, here is, yeah. Just copy it. Which answer is correct? Yeah. Which one is correct? Just copy and paste. It is very easy way. So the language based on dialogues section, like this, copy and paste. So it is the aspect wall that you can earn money from your home. It is an online job. So if you like my video, please share with your friends. Hope to see you into my next video.